Hey, what is up, guys? This is Gen Z Finance, and I'm back with another video. This one is going to be about Nvidia. Now, I've owned a couple products of theirs throughout the years, and recently I've been deciding on if I want to invest in the company or not. If you guys could like the video and subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. These are simply just suggestions and ideas that I've come up with for my own investments. If you choose to follow what I do, it is at your own risk, so be careful and do your own research before you perform any of the trades that I perform. If you guys are new to the whole investing atmosphere and don't currently have a Robinhood account, I will leave a link in the description below to sign up, and when you do use my link, you get a free stock valued at up to $200 for free. All you need is to be a US resident, be 18 years or older, and have a valid social security card. Alright, so now with the video. Nvidia is the stock I'll be talking about in this video with the ticker symbol of NVDA. There it is right there. Nvidia is known as a market leader in the design of something called graphics processing units, or GPUs. For those of you that don't know what a GPU is, it helps process the graphics part of what you see on your laptop screen or monitor. Typically, these are needed for more things like gaming, editing, and tasks that are strenuous on your computer. It basically helps the computer run faster when it comes to anything involving videos and sudden changes. It's kind of hard to explain, but I hope that helped. They create these for the gaming market as well as systems on chips or SOCs for the mobile computing and automotive markets. Now, that last one I mentioned, automotive markets, is a pretty important one that happened really recently. Nvidia created something called an end-to-end solutions for software-defined autonomous vehicles. Basically, what I've taken from reading about this is that they have not only provided the computing power for autonomous vehicles, but they have developed the software that is called Nvidia DRIVE. Now, if we scroll down here, now Drive's infrastructure is a complete workflow platform for data ingestion, curation, labeling, and training through simulation so the car can be ready to hit the road. Whereas when they are driving, this NVIDIA Drive empowers the autonomous vehicle to process large volumes of sensor data, allowing it to make real-time decisions. Now, it also states here that they are leading the industry in performance. So with all these car companies that are in the process of creating autonomous vehicles, they're going to pick the most advanced systems for them, which so happens to be NVIDIA. So as you can see when we scroll down here, Mercedes Benz and multiple other car manufacturing companies have partnered up with NVIDIA for their autonomous software. But that is not all NVIDIA has going for it. Recently, they just unveiled their new GPU series coming out on the 17th right here. It is called the RTX 30 series, and for those that don't know much about NVIDIA, this is like Apple revealing the new iPhone in terms of sales. These are where they get the most of their revenue from. These new GPUs are supposed to, in some cases, be twice as fast as their previous generation when it comes to gaming of GPUs, which is pretty huge. They are also the same price as the previous generation, but with more power, so they could have the potential to sell really, really well. I'm expecting quite a bit from this. Now for the financials part of the stock, this analysis says that Nvidia's EPS is the best possible at 99, and its SMR rating is an A. Now what that means is that the growth of the company is really healthy, and it also gauges sales growth, profit margins, and return on equity. So all of this is good news for the stock. Now their next earnings report in Q3 is expected to rise by 22.5% and their revenue to grow by 46%. And in the next couple of years, Nvidia's earnings per share are expected to increase by 39% and the next year being 23% in 2022, which is extremely impressive. If any of you guys are investors for multiple years, this would be a great stock to look into. Another thing it has going for it for being a buy right now is that in the past week, it has dropped around 15%. If we go down to the 1 month chart and look right here, it was up 27% on the month, and now it is only up 10%. So yeah, it actually went 17% down in the course of just a couple days, making this a great time in the next couple trading days to pick some of this up if you guys were looking to invest in a company for the next couple of years. As you can tell, it's a pretty safe bet to invest with Nvidia. If you look at their 1 year chart, this was just caused by the pandemic, but it quickly regained its momentum and basically had a linear line up. And if you go down to here, their earnings reports are very, very healthy. Even through the pandemic. I mean, it's basically just a linear line up. So in my opinion, anything under $500 for this stock is definitely a good buy for investors. And I expect the stock to be around 750 bucks at least throughout the next couple years. So throughout the next couple years, and if you guys were wondering, this stock also has a dividend yield. It is pretty small with 0.13. I mean, at least it's something. Again, I am not a financial advisor, and everything I say are just suggestions and ideas for my own investments. If you choose to follow the moves that I make sure to do it at your own risk, and before performing any trades, remember to do your own research. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something throughout this video, and I would love it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.